Okay, so let's just hope there isn't any snake or scorpion, anything like that in here, because I'm just exploring this part of the park and there isn't anybody around it really. So yeah, just a lot of forest. Yeah, I'm just following this path, so yeah, I guess it's all good. Yeah guys, oh my gosh, I have so much material of this trip to this part, to this part of Brazil. You guys are gonna be sick of watching nature. For those who love to be seeing this kind of stuff, then okay, amazing, glad to make you happy. But yeah, if you are not into this topic, then yeah, you're just gonna dislike the videos. But anyway, it's still cool, so I gotta do it while I can, because I'm gonna be gone sometime. So yeah, I'm not coming back to this region soon. So yeah, I must record everything I can. So yeah, this is it. Now I can see where I came from, so I'm just gonna keep following this path. Oh gosh, a bird, you scared me, little buddy. Sup, you good? Yeah, sing for us, baby. Now, oh my god, you come here to this cross and then you just face a black cat. Not cool at all. I'm not very into superstitious, but still not good. It's really strange, and he's still there, standing there looking at me. I don't know how to zoom this shit, but yeah, I hope you guys can see that fucking cat looking at me. Ugh, screw you. Okay, now I'm back to this way where people are running and walking. I'm back, bitches.